What if I told you that the secret to manifestation is something that you can implement right now in this exact moment? And it's probably the biggest catalyst for what makes manifestation actually work and show up. And when you understand how to use this properly, it will not only allow you to manifest what you want faster and easier, but I'm telling you, it will change your entire life. And I don't say that lightly. I know that's a big promise, but once you do this, you'll see the big results. And like I said, you can start this right now as I explain what to do in this video. But really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. And here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are ready to learn how to use this, go ahead and hit the little thumbs up button and let's get into it. Now, I would say probably everybody here has heard of the term acting as if, but what does that even mean? How do I act as if I have something that I'm seemingly not even close to having? Or how do I act as if my entire reality is telling me the exact opposite? I mean, raise your hand if you've ever felt personally victimized by this complicated and esoteric concept of asking as if, because this kind of ties into what I want to talk about. But I want to break this all down in a way that actually works, not this act as if type thing. Because the truth is, most people get this acting as if completely wrong. They think it's about these big grand gestures or these fake performances. But real acting as if is actually about tiny, subtle shifts in how you move through the world every single day. And here's kind of where most people go wrong. They think it means pretending to be someone that they're not, or doing things that don't actually align with their current reality. They end up going out and buying expensive things that they can't afford, or quitting their jobs without a backup plan, or just taking random meaningless actions that they think they're supposed to do to try and prove something to the universe. But the good news is that's not actually what's required, and it's definitely not going to make your manifestation work. But here's what will change everything. Starting to see things through the perspective of already having what you want. And it doesn't require you to do anything at all except start seeing things differently. And what do I mean by that? Imagine you're walking past a store and you see your dream car or your dream bag or something that you just really, really want very much. And right now you might look at that thing in the window and say, wow, I wish I could have that, but it's too expensive, or I don't know if I'll ever be able to afford that, or yeah, I could have that if I was rich. But what I want you to do is be able to begin to interrupt thoughts like that. Instead of seeing it through the lens of can't have, what if you looked at it from a natural place of course I could have that if I want. A lens of if I want it, I can have it, versus making it this big separate thing from you. Because the more you separate it from yourself, the harder it is to manifest. That subtle shift right there changes everything. Seeing things through the lens of it being possible opens up doors and opportunities and starts putting pieces of the puzzle together so that you can actually have the things that you want. Because your perspective and how you see things actually shapes and forms how you move through the world. It shapes and forms your entire reality because it shapes your actions, your behaviors, how you speak. It changes everything. So when you believe it's possible, it becomes possible. But true acting as if isn't about denying your current reality or making any reckless type of decisions. It's about making small, sustainable choices that align with the energy of your desired reality while still being connected to your current circumstances. So right now, and I mean right now while you're watching this video, I want you to start choosing to embody the energy, the mindset, and behaviors of the person you're becoming, even while you're still in the process of getting there. Does that make sense? It's not about lying to yourself. It's about recognizing that you have a choice in how you show up in every moment and consistently choosing to show up as the version of yourself who has what you want. This is where the magic happens. Instead of referring to it as acting as if, I like to think of it as a lens change or a perspective change. Because is it really actually true that all of these things that we choose to accept as concrete facts and evidence are real and can't be changed? No. It's just your current beliefs now. And when you can change those beliefs, everything around you starts to change. Everything is responding to you and how you show up. So, how do you choose to show up? The key is understanding that your external reality is always a reflection of your internal reality. And when you start embodying the internal reality of having what you want, your external reality begins to shift and match it. But this embodiment has to be authentic. It's not a performance. You're not going to get a gold star. It's not about putting on some type of show. It's about genuinely shifting your identity and your energy to align with your desires. Do you hear the thunder outside? It's like the universe is agreeing with me. But back to that example of looking in the window and seeing something you want. Instead of looking at it as expensive, you could change your lens to see that other people have this, so you can have it too. Make it a choice versus a limit. I choose to have this, maybe not today, but I can have it. It's not impossible, nothing is off limits. That right there creates the shift. And when you start thinking and behaving like the person you want to become, you begin to feel like that person. And when you feel like that person, you naturally start making choices that align with that identity. Do you see how it's all kind of tied together? So start by asking yourself the question, how would the person who has my desired reality handle this situation? And then choose to handle it that way. Even if it feels slightly uncomfortable at first, commit to it. And if you ever just feel stuck, always choose to look at the situation and say, how can I see things differently? What would be better to believe? Because it's always, always, always a choice. Everything only has the meaning that you give to it. And here is why changing your lens and your perspective is so powerful. Small behaviors compound over time. So when you consistently make choices from the energy of your desired reality, you literally form and become that person. Your nervous system starts to recognize confidence as your new normal, and your brain begins to filter for opportunities that match your new identity. And then everything starts to respond to that energy that you're putting out, that new, different type of energy. And most importantly, when your manifestation does show up in your physical reality, you're ready for it. You've already been practicing being the person who can handle that level of success or abundance. I mean, this is why people who win the lottery often lose it within a few years, but people who build wealth gradually tend to be able to keep it and maintain it. Those lottery winners didn't develop the identity and habits of someone who can manage wealth. They got the external result without the internal preparation. But when you can change your lens consistently, you're prepping yourself energetically for what you want, so that when it arrives, it feels natural and sustainable instead of overwhelming or scary or temporary. So I invite you right now to think of one thing that you really want. Maybe it's something that feels big or something that you're trying for. And I want you to see it as possible. Of course you could have it. See it from a perspective of being able to have it and intentionally choosing it, because it's already an option, so you can have it. But do you choose to have it? This right here will shift everything. Stop waiting for permission to be the person that you want to be. Start being them today. One small choice, one small action, one small thought, one small behavior at a time. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.